Hello everyone, welcome to Growth Finance channel. In this video, we will be talking about the 7 fast ways to earn $500 online. Nobody knows when a career break will happen, or when you need to make a quick buck. So creating a reliable way of earning can be difficult in today's economy. And many people are looking for ways to make money fast. Do you need $500 fast? If yes, then thankfully, you're on the right place. In this video, we are going to talk about the 7 fast ways to earn $500 online. So before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Number 7, sell your photography. Starting a business doing wedding or photos of people might be enjoyable. But what if you lack confidence in your ability to do that? The solution is right there on your screen. Sell your images there. There are several choices available. The most well-known are stock photography services. They are a few places where you may sell your photographs to customers directly or even as work of art. Sites that sell stock photos are important in 2 respects. They begin by selling your work for you. All you have to do is sit back and watch your revenues increase once the photographers have been applauded. Back in addition to assisting you in selling images online. Stock photo services also offer news about current events. In other words, they provide you with suggestions and information on which photographers are most likely to result in revenue. Number 6, a handyman's work. A handyman, often referred to as a fixer, handy person or a handy worker, is someone who is proficient at many different tasks, usually around the house. These jobs sometimes go by the name side work, odd jobs, or fix-up duties. And they involve trade skills, repair work, maintenance work, and both internal and outdoor labor. These tasks could include small electrical tasks like replacing a light bulb or light plumbing, tasks like repairing a leaky toilet. If you're skilled or bought later in major repairs, you can make a quick buck online by promoting your services locally. So let your neighbors, friends, and family know you're able to repair a leaky pipe, finish a basement, repair a driver, or do any other job. TaskRabbit is a great app for handyman labor and a great way to find interesting buyers. Make sure you are specific about your services and then give buyers a price offer. Number 5, tutor online. You can earn quickly online with online tutoring. With the high hourly rates that most tutors charge, you can easily make $500 per hour. Hence, showcase your qualifications such as your teaching expertise, experience, academic background, and commitment to helping those with difficulty. You have several options when it comes to online tutoring. You can work for an organization like VibeKit. Or you can start your own tutoring business and market your skills locally and nationally with your own online brand. As an online tutor, you can help Chinese students learn English and more with VibeKit. Number 5, freelance writer. Picture of a freelance writer. Writing for a living while working independently and not for a company or organization is known as freelance work. Whatever written text is required by their clients, freelance writers produce it while working from home or an office that they have rented. You can make money as a freelance writer if you have a knack for grammar, understand the basis of SEO, and love writing. Content is a king and a necessity for businesses that don't have the time to manage their content requirements. They'll lose business without an updated blog, website, and social media presence. As a freelance writer, you can create articles for websites, blogs, and social media to promote on platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. Upwork is a great platform to promote your services. Many optical writers specialize in a specific niche and charge by the world to attract more customers. To show potential customers your writing style, it's beneficial to have a portfolio of any projects you have completed. They will help them get an idea for your skills and make the decision to hire you easier. If you can gradually generate high-quality work, freelancing can be a terrific method to make money and possibly lead to full-time income. Number 3, rent your parking space online. If you have unusual parking space in an urban area, one of the best ways to earn $500 fast online is to rent it out. With Pavement, you can easily list your parking space online and start making money right away. The Smart Parking app helps you find a place to park using live information from this smart parking sensor system that have been installed into parking spaces around the city. The way that these apps make money is by taking a commission on transaction. They use this revenue to market your facility to an online and mobile audience. Demand for a parking spot is high, so you can set the price to whatever want, from hourly to daily rates. You can even set a lower price than the competition to get more customers. Moreover, you can make a good impression on your customers. by providing secure parking space and making it easy to enter and exit. This way, they will likely recommend you to others looking for a parking space. Number 2, rent out to your extra room online. If you own a home with additional rooms that you're being used, then you might consider renting out that extra space. This could help you supplement monthly income, pay off your mortgage, learn the skills for running a rental business. But before you go and find a tenant who is up for sharing the fridge, make sure you run a comprehensive and background check for a trusted provider solution like Smart Move. And as always, you should check laws applicable to you and consider consulting legal counsel to help you determine your abilities and responsibilities. This module is not to be construed as legal advice, not a comprehensive set of information. The outbreak has caused a great surge in the usage of Airbnb for people who want more room and privacy than a hotel can provide. Renting out as a single room or an entire house is a great way to make fast money online. To start, create an Airbnb listing for a room in your house. Make sure you clearly state your facilities. You'll provide them your policy for sharing your place. Once your listing is up, you can start searching for renters and decide when the room will be available. However, you can rent it out for a few days or even opt for tenant turnover to maximize your profits by rent to a few people by a week. For even more money, consider advertising your full house or townhouse or an Airbnb for an entire week or two. You don't even have to commit to your long-term listing if that's not what you want. When you're ready to return home or no longer wish to share your place, you can simply remove your listing. Number 1, website testing and feedback. Job testing websites provide people with a way to supplement their income. Companies that undertake websites testing provide platform for testing their usability of websites and mobile applications. If you find the video useful, kindly like and subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.